So thank you very much for coming. We have a panel today. The theme is methodologies and methods for knowledge co-creation.
Hello everyone, good morning, and thank you for being here and thank you for taking the time to attend this conference. We produce knowledge in everything in our life. Even our existence is a knowledge production process. And try to solve this issue through the collaboration between different actors.
But then the broader housing crisis also lacking data was definitely one of them.
Object of all the attentions and all the forms of appropriation. By city ground floor, we approach and articulate as much the urban form, so status of spaces. It is in physical and environmental disorders. How do you manage the limit between research and action?
Negotiating offer and developing a new affordable and sustainable offer.
Capital through partnerships across diverse. So I start the presentation by illustrating the theoretical context of this research, revisiting the research aim with the specific case study of Leipzig.
The pictures what I took around the Krakow, because of the lack of the special trends.
It's a pleasure, but also it's difficult to beat, and is rethinking terrain bank. Sorry for the French, maybe it's not correct. These are empty spaces within the city area or at its border.
That actually live in Amsterdam and that we trained to do the interviews, but it was kind of a hard process. Look at those interactions between structure and agency.
So the clearest pattern that emerged from our work is that housing affects all other life domains. Our young interviewees share their dwelling with friends or with strangers.
I'm praising the EU taxonomy. The EU taxonomy included nuclear and gas as environmentally friendly technology, energy sources.
And also, if you look into the modules, you should be repairing before you go as drastic as replacing.
Dust and stuff. But if it's just screwing,
Exactly.
It's easy to move. So I think your study would have most impact. I think if you would be able to compare it.
You touch both of you on the social aspect, be it life cycle assessment with your sustainability.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe the indicators that I was looking at are more technical.
There's a negotiation that has to be had when you're data driven.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your